Morning once again. It is the part 3 of units. Definition of fundamental SI units. The 7 fundamental units are defined as number 1 point meter. It is the fundamental unit of length. It is the fundamental unit of length. 1 meter is defined as the distance containing 1,650,763.73 wavelength of the orange red light emitted by pure krypton 86. That is a meter. Meter is defined as a measure of length. It is the fundamental unit. A measure of length. It is the fundamental unit. That is 1 kilometer. That is 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer 10 power 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power 3 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power 3 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. Right? Listen carefully. That is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Right? It is converted into powers, that is 10 power 3 meter, right? 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter, that is 1 upon 10 power 2 meter, that is 10 power minus 2 meter. 10 power minus 2 meter. Next form of the mini form: 1 millimeter, 1 micron, 1 nanometer, 10 power minus 9 meter, 1 angstrom, 10 power minus 10 meter. Very important part of the meter, right? Good part is the astronomical unit. 1 AU is the average distance of the sun from the earth. 1 AU equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter, that is 1.5 into 10 power m, that is meter. B point light year. 1 light year is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and 365 into 60, that is 1 year equal to how many days? That is 365 days, right? So 1 day equal to 365 into 24 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. That is converted into the 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. That is 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter, that is 10 power 60 meter. 9.46 is the magnitude because 9.46 is greater than 946 is greater than 5. Therefore, magnitude of power, that is significant of power, is equal to 10 power 15 plus 1, that is 10 power 16, right? 10 power 16. C point, parallelistic second or parasecond. 1 parasecond equal to 1 AU upon 1 second, right? We will consider that is 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, or 1 minute equal to 60 second into 60, that is 3600 second. So 1 second equal to 1 second 1 upon 3600 degree. 1 second equal to 1 upon 3600 degree. That is 1 parasecond is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter upon 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. That is 1 parasecond is equal to 3.084 into 10 power 16 meter, that is 3.1 into 10 power 16 meter. 1 PC is equal to 3.26 light year. Second point, kilogram. Kilogram, it is the unit of mass. It is the unit of mass. The SI unit of mass equivalent to the international standard kept at Sevres near Paris. That is, 1 kilogram is defined as the mass of the one platinum iridium cylinder kept in Paris. Right? Unit of kilogram, 1 metric ton is equal to 10 power 3 kilogram. 1 quintal is equal to 10 power 2 kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilogram. 1 milligram is equal to 10 power minus 3 gram is equal to 10 power minus 6 kilogram, right? Next part, third point, second. It is the unit of time. 1 millisecond is equal to 10 power minus 3 second. 1 microsecond is equal to 10 power minus 6 second. It is considered by the 1 second is defined as the time interval in which cesium-133 atom completes vibration in atoms of atomic clock. The smaller unit of time is the millisecond, 10 power 3 minus 3 second, 1 microsecond, 10 power minus 6 second, 1 nanosecond, 10 power minus 9 second, 1 picosecond, 10 power minus 12 second, right? Fourth point is ampere. Fourth point is ampere. It is the time of electric current. Electric current is defined as rate of change of charge is called as the ampere. 1 ampere is defined as the current which, when maintained in two parallel and straight conductors of infinite length and negligible cross section placed in vacuum at distance 1 meter apart. Let's consider that same parallel line of conductor is defined as same parallel line are repel to each other because arrow is upward, therefore repel to each other. If arrow is different, therefore attract to each other. 1 meter apart would produce a force into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter length between the conductor, right? Fifth point, Kelvin. Okay, it is the unit of temperature. 1 Kelvin is 1 upon 273.16th part of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. Kelvin, a unit of measuring temperature, right? If we consider that 27 degrees centigrade, so then it converts into Kelvin. 27 plus 273, that is 300 Kelvin, right? For 6 point, mole. A mole is of a substance or a mole of a particles which may be atom, molecules, ions and electrons. A mole of a substance or mole of particle is defined as exactly 6.023 into 10 power 23 particle which may be atom, molecules, ions or elements, right? Seventh point, candela. It is the unit of luminous intensity. What is the luminous intensity? It is the bulb. It is the luminous part. It is the candela. It is the luminous part. It is the candela. It is abbreviated from CD, right? Next part is supplementary SI unit. Two supplementary SI units are defined as radian. It is the unit of plane angle. What is the plane angle? X and Y is the plane angle. That is 90 degree. It is the plane angle. 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length of the radius of the circle. 1 radian equal to 57.3 degree. That is 2 pi radian. That is 360 degree. Right? Second point is steradian. It is the unit of solid angle. Solid angle, that is just as water million. If I will consider 1 point, that is delta theta. Delta theta is the solid angle. It is considered in the sphere, right? it is considered in the spare. One spare, just as listen, one spare, that is one spare, that is one spare, that is pi, second 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi, right? That is 12.57 read steradian, right? Okay,